Hello YouTube. Today we are going to see how to repair a clock which has not been working for some time now. This clock does not work with any battery and we are going to see why it is not working. First we need to remove the screws and then have a look inside. As you can see, there is a lot of corrosion on the negative terminal because of a battery leak. We will try to clean it and see what can be done to the corroded terminal. We are going to clean the corrosion with a swab and a thinner that I have with me. This will clean the surface of the terminal. Repeat this step until most of the corrosion has been removed. Now we will put in a new battery and see if it works. As you can see, the battery is loose in the holder because the terminal has corroded away and hence there is no power going to the clock. We will also check if the movement is working or not by bridging the gap between the battery and the terminal with a screwdriver. We can see that the clock is working. That shows that the problem is limited to the corroded terminal. We will remove the movement and check in detail. Now we have removed the movement from the dial and now we will open the casing. We have removed the dial, the hands and the cover on the movement. This cover is held in place by these clips which needs to be gently unlocked in order to gain access inside the movement. As you can see, the terminal is completely corroded away and this cannot be soldered. We can see where the negative terminal goes inside the machine. The layout of the terminal differs from model to model. I have taken a metal strip and bent it this way so that it makes the last connection with the battery. The strip should make a tight fit with the remaining terminal. When the battery is installed, it will be held firmly in place to complete the connection. Now we will assemble the movement. The movement has been put back in the dial with its cover closed. Now we will install the hands and check. The clock is working normally now. Now we will assemble the clock. Now the assembly is complete and we have a working clock. Most of the clocks can be repaired easily and reused. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Hope you found this video interesting and useful. We will meet again with a similar do-it-yourself video soon. Thank you.